Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marco and today we're looking at 4 websites to make $1,000 a month. The first website is called InterZoom. The company is based in the US and you can work with them if you have a PayPal account.
Fine, but how much money can we make?
For studies of 10 to 20 minutes, you can expect to make $10 on average. And you can do it when you have a few minutes to spare, making it a great side hustle for nurses. InterZoom bread and butter is quite clear. They test apps and software for other companies. And that's where we come into play because they are too lazy to do it themselves. So if you sign up on InterZoom, the way you make money there is to try the apps, and while you're doing it, you think out loud and you just record yourself talking about the app. So if you like it, you don't like it, what you hate, what frustrates you, lots of things like that. The requirements for this side hustle are quite low. You need a PC, a laptop, a smartphone, or a tablet. It obviously depends on what you're testing. A decent internet connection and the ability to run eZoom certified testing software. And so you can make $600 a month if you spend at least 6 hours of your time on this app per week. This is provided there are enough jobs to fill all those hours. But I've got you covered because there are another 4 side hustles to pick from, so let's keep going. So the next website for the next side hustle is called remotasks.com. This is another company paying through PayPal and you can work with them from any country.
Okay, so what about the money?
You can make an average of $70 a month if you spend 6 hours a week on it. Remote Task is similar to InterZoom because they get paid to improve and test apps for other companies. What makes it unique though is the way these tests are carried out. Users like you and me get paid to do simple tasks like drawing around objects, transcribing the content of images, and identify keywords that describe an image, and so on. There are lots of jobs available. To get started on this side hustle, you need a PC or a laptop, and you need to pass a test for each type of job. I suggest to take on the side hustle when you run out of jobs from the other websites. So the next website is called Proofreading.org, and this company started in Cambridge, UK, and then moved their headquarters to the US.
I don't care how much money do they pay.
Average pay goes from $20 to $30 an hour. So that's another $600 a month right there if you spend 6 hours a week on it. To get all this goodness, you have to proofread documents. And the requirement to jump on this boat are a PC, and unfortunately you need to commit to editing at least 10,000 words a week. You also have to be a native English speaker and hold a degree. But stay with me because the next website is really profitable and it's called beachmedia.org. Don't click off, I swear they are a legit company based in Portland and they pay from $150 to $1,000 per article. Sounds flipping interesting, right? Beach Media is a blog providing a thoughtful feminist response to mainstream media, and they pay freelance writers to help them with their mission. Basically people like you and me. So you could try your hand at writing articles, and if they like it, well, let's say that you spend 6 hours a week on it and you can make at least $1,000 a month. Hey, if you like these side income ideas, you will find another bunch of them when you click on this playlist of short videos that I created specifically for making money online with no investments. Which side hustle did you prefer between InterZoom and Beach Media? Let me know in the comment section, I will answer all of them. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.